Have you ever stopped to think about everything that can come from a simple grain of wheat? It's in the breakfast bread, the cookies that accompany coffee, or even the snacks we eat without thinking. Behind each of those products lies a fascinating process, full of machinery that transforms the simplest things into something extraordinary. In this episode of Imported Machinery, you will discover the machines that make this transformation possible. Equipment designed to clean, mill, mix, bake, and package wheat until it becomes the foods we consume every day. Number 1. Grain cleaner and sorter. Wheat, before becoming flour or any other product, must go through an essential stage, cleaning. At this point, the grain transformation process begins, removing anything that could affect its quality. From dust particles to stones and straw remnants, this stage guarantees that the material to be worked with is uniform, safe, and suitable for the next processing phases. The grain cleaner and sorter fulfills this function through a combined system of air and sieves. Through a controlled air current, it separates the lighter impurities, while sieves of different calibrations classify the grain by size and weight. Some models incorporate a stoner module that further improves the wheat's purity, allowing industrial levels of cleanliness to be achieved with capacities ranging from 2 to 45 tons per hour. Its modular design makes it suitable for both small domestic installations and wider production lines. On the market, these machines present a wide variety of prices depending on their capacity and degree of automation. On international platforms like Alibaba, basic models can be found starting from around $150, while higher capacity equipment or those manufactured in the United States can exceed $29,000. They are available both through direct import and through local distributors specialized in agro-industrial machinery. Number 2. Grain conditioner. After cleaning, the wheat is free of impurities, but it is not yet ready to be milled. At this point, the grain conditioner comes into action, a key machine that prepares the wheat for milling by adjusting its moisture content and temperature. This intermediate step ensures that the husk softens and the endosperm acquires the ideal texture to be separated precisely in the mill, which translates into better quality and yield of flour. The grain conditioner works through the controlled application of water, steam, or both, depending on the system. The more advanced models incorporate sensors that automatically regulate temperature and humidity, while others operate manually via simple valves and gauges. Some industrial equipment integrates a steam system, known as a steam conditioner, that speeds up the process and ensures uniform hydration. Its compact structure allows it to be easily adapted to small or medium production lines, making it an essential piece before the milling process. Regarding prices, the equipment available on platforms like Alibaba or Made in China varies considerably depending on its degree of automation and processing capacity. Basic models start at around $500, while automatic systems with steam and humidity control can reach $6,500. They are available for both direct import and through specialized suppliers of grain processing machinery in the United States. Number 3. Roller mill. Once the wheat has been cleaned and conditioned, the time comes for its main transformation, milling. In this stage, the grain goes from being a raw material to becoming flour, the base product for a wide range of foods. To achieve uniform and controlled milling, the industrial roller mill is used, a machine designed to crush the grain gradually, maximizing the preservation of its properties. The roller mill uses 2 metal cylinders that rotate in opposite directions, exerting precise pressure on the grain. Unlike other crushing systems, this method prevents excessive heating, preserving the quality of the endosperm and improving the texture of the final product. Its configuration can vary depending on the type of wheat or cereal being processed, with rollers of different dimensions and thicknesses that allow adjusting the degree of fineness. Thanks to its modular design, it can be integrated into both small domestic production lines and larger industrial installations. On the market, prices depend largely on capacity, motor type, and country of manufacture. On platforms like Alibaba, new models can be found between $2,400 and $2,700, while used equipment of American manufacture available on eBay reach prices between $8,500 and $14,500. It is a considerable investment, but it represents the heart of the milling process and a key piece in any flour production line. Number 4. Sifter or plan sifter. After milling, the wheat has been transformed into a mixture of particles of different sizes, including fine flour, semolina, and bran remnants. To separate these components and obtain uniform flour, the sifter or plan sifter comes into play, a fundamental machine that refines the product obtained from the mill and determines the final quality of the process. The sifter operates via a system of sieves arranged in compartments that vibrate at high frequency. Each sieve level separates the particles according to their size, allowing the finest flour to advance to the next stage, while the bran and coarser fragments are redirected to be reprocessed or used in other products. In the most common models, the sieves are organized in single or double modules, with standard dimensions ranging from 640 to 740 millimeters, driven by motors between 4 and 15 kilowatts. This technology, used in both industrial mills and compact production systems, ensures precise control of the product's degree of fineness. Regarding prices, the range is wide due to variations in capacity, size, and number of compartments. On platforms like Alibaba or Made in China, basic equipment can be found from $1,500, while the more advanced systems, such as those manufactured by recognized companies in the sector, can exceed $30,000. Their acquisition is usually done through direct import, although there are distributors that offer technical support and compatible parts for continuous use in flour production lines. Number 5. Double shaft mixer. Once the flour has been refined and separated, the time comes to combine it with water and other ingredients to give rise to the dough. In this phase, homogeneity is essential. The texture, elasticity, and behavior of the product in the following stages depend on it. To achieve this uniformity, the industrial double shaft mixer is used, a machine designed to precisely integrate all components, ensuring a stable and perfectly balanced mixture. The double shaft mixer consists of 2 rotating shafts equipped with paddles or ribbons that interlace in their movement. This design generates a cross-flow of materials, preventing dead zones and reducing mixing time. Depending on the configuration, it can operate with paddle, type blades, or ribbon helical ribbons, adapting to both light doughs and denser mixtures. The higher capacity models include variable speed control, liquid injection systems, and pressurized chambers, allowing total control over the final texture of the dough. Its capacity range is wide, from 20 liters for small productions to over 4,000 liters for industrial environments. In the international market, this machine presents one of the widest price ranges within the wheat processing line. On platforms like Alibaba or Made in China, compact models can be found from around $780, while industrial equipment with advanced control systems and motors of up to 300 horsepower can exceed $70,000. Specialized manufacturers in the United States also offer high-end versions on request, available through direct import or contact with certified distributors. Number 6. Twin-screw snack extruder. With the dough ready and homogeneous, the next step is to give it shape, texture, and volume. Here the twin-screw snack extruder comes into action, a machine that transforms the dough into expanded products through heat, pressure, and mechanical movement. This point marks the transition from a raw mixture to a food ready for baking or frying, defining the final structure of the wheat-based snack. The screw extruder uses 2 augers that rotate in opposite directions inside a heated cylinder. This system compresses and cooks the dough while pushing it towards a die that defines its shape. Rings, sticks, balls, or any design according to the installed mold. Automatic control of temperature and speed allows adjusting the texture and expansion level of the product, while industrial systems integrate PLC panels to monitor the entire process with precision. With power ranging from 4 to 110 kilowatts and production capacities from 20 to over 1,100 kilograms per hour, this machine combines cooking, texturizing, and molding in a single continuous step. Regarding price, the market offers a wide range of options. Compact and semi-automatic models, intended for small productions, can be found on platforms like eBay or AliExpress from approximately $190, while industrial versions with twin screws, PLC control, and advanced heating systems exceed $10,000 on Alibaba. These extruders are available both for direct import and through manufacturers and distributors specialized in food machinery in the United States. Number 7. Multi-zone tunnel oven. Once the dough has been molded and expanded by the extruder, the time comes to consolidate its texture and flavor through baking. The multi-zone tunnel oven fulfills this function, baking the snack uniformly while precisely controlling the temperature and time in each phase of the journey. This continuous process ensures that the product acquires its characteristic color, crispness, and aroma without losing its structure or nutritional value. The tunnel oven is composed of a conveyor belt that moves the product through different thermal chambers or zones, each with independent temperature parameters. This allows for gradual baking, starting with a drying stage and ending with a browning or surface finishing stage. The more advanced models offer digital control by zones, forced ventilation, and electric or gas heating modes. Industrial versions can reach temperatures of up to 300 degrees Celsius and bandwidths over 3.5 meters, adapting to different production volumes. This versatility makes the tunnel oven the thermal heart of the entire snack line. Regarding cost, the price range is very wide and depends on size, heat source, and production capacity. On platforms like Alibaba, compact models can be found starting from around $430, designed for small workshops or pilot tests, while large-scale industrial systems easily exceed $200,000. These units are available through direct import or through specialized manufacturers that offer technical support and customization according to the client's needs. Number 8. Rotary seasoning drum. After baking, the snacks acquire their final texture, but one key step to define their flavor is still missing: seasoning. In this phase, the rotary seasoning drum intervenes, responsible for uniformly coating each piece with oils, powders, and condiments. This process not only improves the product's flavor and aroma, but also gives it its characteristic color and a light layer of shine that enhances its presentation. The seasoning drum is constructed of stainless steel and operates via an inclined cylinder that rotates continuously while the product moves inside. During the movement, condiments and oils are sprayed onto the snacks, while the internal paddles ensure a homogeneous mix. The rotation speed and angle of inclination can be adjusted according to the product's density or the desired seasoning intensity. Industrial models handle capacities between 500 and 3,000 kilograms per hour, with motors of up to 5 kilowatts and variable speed controls. Thanks to its simple and efficient design, this machine can be easily integrated into any snack production line. On the market, prices vary depending on size, capacity, and construction materials. On platforms like Alibaba or Made in China, basic models start around $350, while higher capacity versions or those manufactured with 316 stainless steel can reach $3,000. There are also reconditioned options available from U.S. distributors specialized in food processing machinery. Number 9. Modified atmosphere packaging machine. In the last step of this processing line, the modified atmosphere packaging machine guarantees that the product maintains its freshness and quality for longer. After going through the stages of cutting, cooking, cooling, and preliminary packaging, this equipment seals the product in a controlled environment, replacing the air inside the package with a mixture of gases such as nitrogen or carbon dioxide, which reduce oxidation and prevent bacterial growth. Thus, the production cycle closes with a solution designed for the preservation and final presentation of the food. This machine is designed to prolong the shelf life of perishable products, such as cooked grains, processed vegetables, or natural snacks. Its operation combines vacuum and gas injection systems that create an ideal environment inside sealed trays or bags. Furthermore, some versions incorporate gas mixture controls and sensors that automatically adjust the proportions, guaranteeing uniformity in each seal. It is a technology widely used in the modern food industry for its efficiency and safety. The cost of a modified atmosphere packaging machine can vary between $3,500 and $25,000, depending on its capacity and configuration. Models can be found on platforms like Alibaba, AliExpress, or Made in China, and even specialized manufacturers in the United States that offer higher performance versions for industrial production. These machines typically operate between 2 and 5 kilowatts and achieve 3 to 10 cycles per minute, making them an attractive option for those looking to professionalize their food line with higher preservation standards. And that's a wrap on another chapter of industrial opportunities. Now, it's your turn to get involved. The first 5 people to comment below will have the chance to directly influence our next video. Tell us which production line or type of machinery you'd like us to dive into next. Your suggestions will be our top priority for upcoming research and content. So, drop your idea in the comments, and let's build the future of imported machinery together.